Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is all about healthy meal planning and meal prep. With our busy schedules, it can be challenging to make time for healthy meals, but with a little planning and preparation, it's definitely doable. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Plan your meals in advance before you go grocery shopping. Plan out your meals for the week. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and ensure that you have everything you need for healthy meals. You can also save time by making a list of ingredients you need. Tip number 2. Prep ingredients in advance. Chop vegetables, cook grains and proteins, and portion out snacks in advance. This will save you time during the week and make it easier to throw together a healthy meal. You can also use this time to prepare healthy snacks, like homemade energy balls or veggie sticks. Tip number 3. Pack your lunch. Packing your lunch for work or school can help you stay on track with your healthy eating goals. Prep your lunch the night before, so you can just grab and go in the morning. This will save you time and money compared to eating out. Tip number 4. Invest in meal prep containers. Invest in good quality meal prep containers that are microwave and dishwasher safe. This will make it easy to pack and reheat your meals throughout the week. Tip number 5. Use flavorful seasonings and sauces. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Use flavorful seasonings and sauces to add taste to your meals. Experiment with different herbs and spices to find your favorite combinations. And there you have it, my top tips for healthy meal planning and meal prep. Remember, it's all about planning in advance, prepping ingredients, packing your lunch, investing in meal prep containers, and using flavorful seasonings and sauces. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who may benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one.